Hi, welcome back to the HAS 200. So what I'm going to do today is demonstrate what you're going to be doing in Lab 1, where you're essentially observing the sequence of events that happen on an automated system. So I'm on station 1, and I'm just going to hit the button, and we'll let it do its thing. What it's doing is it's grabbing a box out of the box dispenser. And picks it up, puts it on the conveyor, and that's it. Let's take a look at it one more time from another angle. You'll probably see a little better from over here, some of the things that are going on. So I'm hitting the button again. Okay, I'm going to hit the button again, and let this do its thing. All right. So your task in this lab is going to be to break down everything that happened, every event that you saw happening, and write down that sequence. So this is a real deep observation exercise. What I'm going to do is show you how to use the buttons to start and pause the sequence, and this will make it a lot easier for you to capture what's going on. So I'm going to hit the button. It's going to start a new sequence. But what I'm going to do is use this red button. The stop button here doesn't actually stop the whole process. It just pauses it. So I hit this. Okay, what you just saw there is something happened. The box dispenser moved over so that it's now positioned in front of one row. So that was the first thing you'd write down. What you have to do is find out from the sticker on here which actuator that was that moved, write it down, say what kind of an actuator it is, linear, rotary, and that's your step 1. Okay, let's hit the button again, hit the green button again to start it back up. Okay, did you see that? This actuator, so I'm looking on the label, it's actuator A, was the next thing that happened. It pushed a box out of the dispenser. Okay, and I just hit red again just to pause it. So if I hit the green button again, now you'll see how that moved back, this actuator that had moved back this way. So that'd be another motion to record. And then this actuator went down. It's ready to pick up the box. Actually, two things happened there, so make sure you capture both motions. One of them was a linear going this way. Another one. Now the barcode reader is going berserk right now because it's reading the box. So I'm going to go ahead and let it pick it up. Okay. So some of these actions are pretty quick. So you go through this several times until you get it right, and make sure you capture every step of the way. That's the first step in terms of understanding an automated sequence like this, is really observing the detail of each different step in the process. Because when you're doing troubleshooting, you're going to be getting involved in, let's say there's something wrong in the system, it's going to do steps 1, 2, 3, and freeze. Okay, so what's supposed to happen then? What has to happen in order for that next step to occur that's not happening? That's a first step in trouble, or part of troubleshooting. And that's really what the programmable logic controller, this device up here, is handling that sequence and making it run step by step by step with the right timing and with the feedback from the various sensors. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoy the lab and get a lot out of it. Bye-bye.